Tutorial of Python. I am from CodeSpeedy, and in this video I will show you how we can print the string and integer value in the same line in the print statement in Python. So let's start. I am taking an integer value a is equal 5, and now I will print it with a string. Suppose this is a string, and now if I add this integer value and run it, you can see type error, can only concatenate string not integer to string. To fix this, I simply need to add this in str method. So if I run it again, you can see this is working absolutely fine. I am giving a space here to make it look better. So there is another way to do the same. Like if you want this integer value in between these strings, so how can you do that? Just remove it and you can separate the strings like this, and you can concatenate using plus, and you can use the same method str a, and you can again concatenate it. Now if you run it, you can see it's working absolutely fine. But this is too much complicated if you are going to put multiple integer values in this string. So after Python 3.6, Python has introduced this f string, which is also known as string literal. By using this, we can add multiple number of integer values using these curly braces. So within these curly braces, we can put any value, any variable. I just put a, then if I run it, you can see that this is working fine. I am giving a space. So you can do it like this. Whatever method feels more comfortable to you, you can use that. And we can also use mathematical expression here, like I can use a and b is equal 5 7. Okay, a is equal 5 and b is equal 7. You can use like this, a plus b. Now if you run it, you can see that the summation is showing here. So you can evaluate mathematical expression also if you wish. So that's all for today, and I also have written tutorial on this. You can visit our description link. I have the written tutorial on this too. So that's all for today. If you like this video, then subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. Have a great day.